All right, Blizzard Legacy 18812 18112. I'm gonna randomize this list and then we better hit another 101.
I hope so. Or like a sketch card would be.
Yeah, we haven't seen them
Maybe
yet.
that's where the Junker Queen comes.
That's true. They would probably have sketches for everything.
Sure.
And for I love when that happens. No offense to Jamie, but I'm glad he's last 5 times. Did you need cards for that one?
I'm just writing that now.
Oh, see, look at that. I'm going to be useless in about a week.
I mean, it's easy when there's only 2 names, you know?
That is for true. Yeah, the very last pack for Jamie, and then the rest was for Shane. Made life real easy.
There you go. So it should just be all of those. And then
Seems right to me. Oh, it's 2 random packs. That's right. Yeah, not having the best time with whatever I just ate.
No, it doesn't sound like a great time.
No.
We have Mercy, Lady Vashu, our first cube, which is Mephisto, Gargath Bladefist, Dentag, and Diablo.
It's so funny how, like, I know so many of the things, and then something from, like, Heroes of the Storm will pop up. I'm like,
literally.
What's that?
You can tell who I know and who I don't based on how long it takes me to read them. Blackthorn, Khadgar. Oh, Diva emote. Oh, that's the best one. Oh, look at her. Oh, she's so cool. Okay. Lily, Ildian Stormrage, and Gul'dan. That's the best Overwatch emote so far. For sure.
Oh, is the emote down as characters or is what the emote is?
Well, characters have specific emotes.
Yeah.
So, like, it's like both. We have Anub Arak, Farah. Or we have a BlizzCon with Tracer and some other people on it. Thrall, Uther Lightbringer, and Leah. Tracer, Nemsi Necrofizzle, Lilith Cube, Marine, Thoradin Wildhammer, and Probe. We have first Hearthstone book, so that one opens up, and Zenyatta. ETC, Greymane. We have a Silver Hydralisk. Skv, or SCV, I'm still unsure. Blackhand, and Tychus Finlay. Lunara, Gul'dan, another cube of Baal, the Lost Vikings, Valerian Minsk, and Tyrande Whisperwings. Malfurion Stormrage, Manaroth, Torbjorn Ultimate Ready, Velen, Chen Solmstout, and Oriel.
Do you reckon his name was Vol'jin Darkspear? Does that sound...
That sounds like it.
Yeah. I just remember the apostrophe.
Yes. I think Darkspear rings a bell.
Oh, yes.
Vol'jin means nothing.
Oh, no.
Garrosh Hellscream, Protoss Warbanners, Lady Vash, and Rexa. Ken 101 would send that panda, send that to Panda in a heartbeat. Look, that's fair. Rock and Roll Racing, Cassia, a Silver Manaroth, Uther Lightbringer, Orgrim Doomhammer, and Andariel. Illidan, Ohira, another BlizzCon from 2010. Nice. Jim Raynor, Baneling, and Malfurion Stormrage. Karma, Tychus Finlay, another cube, which is Andariel, Torbjorn, Hydralisk, and Alexei Stukov. Oh!
Oh.
33 of 99 single diamond Realm Lords? I don't know that that's an actual diamond, but with one diamond asterisk? Diamonds are lab. Oh, it's an actual diamond.
Yeah.
It's a lab created. That's okay. What the hell? That's cool. Who knew that you could get a Heroes of the Storm diamond in a card set? Oh my god.
Heroes of the Storm is the only one in that set as well, which is a little disappointing.
Yeah. I mean, Heroes of the Storm has some really good cards from what I've seen so far. We have Zul, Mogul, a Silver Alexei Stukov, Bastion, Khadgar, and Kalithus Sunstrider. I was like, oh yeah, they just put like a Diamante in it. Nope. Malgus, Reinhardt, another cube, Duriel, Malkangas, Varrock Sorfang, and Queen of Blades. Another Hearthstone book, and Maeve Shadowsong. Arbither, another Warbanner Zerg, Malfurion Stormrage, Artanis, Anduin Rin, Chen Stormstar, Garrosh Hellscream in the silver, the Lost Vikings, Sen'jin, and Lurker. Uther Lightbringer, Zenyatta, another cube, which is Lyric, Anduin Rin, Lane Rin, and Archimond. And then the last pack is Velen, Lily, Mercy Ultimate Ready, Arcturus Mensk, Sylvanas Windrunner, and Cedia. I'm so convinced